Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Delighted to present to you today this lovely Designo Hyacinth Red Mercedes-Benz E220d AMG line Premium Plus. Because with all the standard features plus the Premium Plus package, which is all the additional extras that you get on the vehicle, namely, to start with, the sliding panoramic sunroof. The car also comes with keyless entry and keyless go, upgraded Burmester surround sound system, a 3-stage memory seats, fully electrically adjustable and heated. This car has the lovely contrast of the exterior but with a light interior and that absolutely stunning widescreen cockpit. Other niceties do include the wireless device charging if you're ever short of that cable that you need to charge your phone. And another nice one, which isn't always that noticeable, is the intelligent lighting system with multi-beam LED. Car's absolutely phenomenal. What a car it is. I'm a firm believer in Mercedes-Benz, having spent 5.5 years there with the brand. What a car. That's all I can say. Any questions, please give us a call here at AMT in Leeds. Make an appointment to come and view it. You certainly won't be disappointed if you see it in the flesh. Thanks again.